Well, Amazon's affiliate program is officially dead, right? I mean, it's April 21st today. They just announced recently that on April 21st of 2020, they would be slashing the commission rates that they pay their affiliates. So while there is still an affiliate program available, the fact of the matter is if you were an affiliate marketer or if you were using affiliate marketing as a monetization strategy within your business, the amount of money that you're going to earn with Amazon, assuming your traffic stays level, is going to be dramatically different from what you're used to seeing. It has been drastically cut. Some categories have been cut by as much as 75%. Now, what does that mean? Well, it really depends on which camp you are in. Now, if you're in the camp where you're kind of in the beginning stages and you were thinking about perhaps building a blog around Amazon's affiliate program, I might want to reconsider if I were you at that point. And I have experience with this. If you're not familiar, first of all, my name is Brian Brewer. Welcome to the Becoming Legendary channel. The whole purpose of this channel is to help you make more money online with some high ticket affiliate marketing programs. And I'll talk more about that in just a second. But in 2012 is when I got my start with affiliate marketing. And I did like most people do. I went to YouTube or Google and I said, how do you make money online, right? And I kind of got into that rabbit hole and I did some research. Ultimately, the strategy that I thought worked best for me at the time as a complete beginner with not a whole lot of time on my hands was blogging. And what I did is I created product review blogs. I ranked them using SEO, search engine optimization tactics, and I built authority blogs on niche sites, if you will. Then I monetized with products from Amazon. So the first blog I did was a blog that was a niche blog that talked about magnesium. So I created articles on the blog that talked about the benefits of magnesium and studies that were done. And of course, I did magnesium reviews, magnesium supplement reviews. And I would post my Amazon affiliate links right on the blog and earn commissions when people went over to Amazon and bought their magnesium supplements and whatever else they happened to buy while they were visiting from my affiliate link. And it works pretty well. I started making some money and I got that one to probably about 800 to probably not quite 1,000, but pretty close to $1,000 a month in passive income. So I decided to do it again. I rinsed and repeated it. I chose another niche. I created an authority blog in that niche. I created articles, did SEO, did some other ranking tactics, and of course did product reviews, which I then linked over to Amazon to earn affiliate commissions. And that one did pretty well as well. I got that up to $1,200, $1,500 a month. And some months I made $2,000. But for the most part, that was about a $1,200 to $1,500 a month blog. Now, the good thing was I was making passive income at this point, $2,000 to $3,000 a month in passive income. The bad news is it took a long time to get there, well over a year, and it was really hard to scale. And what happened is I got to the point where I had kind of maxed out my niche blog, because really when you create a niche blog or a product review blog, in most cases, you do so somewhat anonymously. Really, you're not building any brand authority. You're just trying to show up and rank for searches. Well, everybody in the world who's creating a niche review site is trying to do the same thing. And you're really only going to make money if you get a post to rank near the top 1, 2, or 3 in Google. So for me personally, I didn't see a situation where this is going to be something that I was going to scale to the point where I could quit my job. So because it was taking so much time to get these going, it's kind of like I had 2 jobs. Sure, I had the passive income, which was great, but I wanted to make a change. And that's what I'm going to talk about in just a second in this video. Before we do, I just want to hammer home the point. Like if you want to go that route, it seems the easiest because you can do it kind of anonymously and just write blog posts. But really, with the rate cuts that we're seeing with Amazon, I just don't think it's going to be a viable business going forward. And the other point that's important to make is because it does take so long to get to a point where you can actually rank a blog. Who knows what's going to happen with Amazon? There's no reason that they don't eventually completely cut their affiliate program out. Now, that's not to say that affiliate marketing in general is in danger. I think affiliate marketing is only getting more popular, but for a company that's a market leader, an industry leader, really an e-commerce global leader, do they really need to rely on affiliate marketing with their name recognition, their benefits over other companies with their ability to deliver products in a timely fashion? And the fact is they carry everything as well. They are a destination. We are, as consumers, almost more reliant on Amazon than Jeff Bezos is on Amazon, right? Who would be more disappointed if Amazon closed? The people who shop there every day, or Jeff Bezos? He'd probably take a nice vacation if it shut down. But I kind of digress here. The people I feel really bad for, though, are the people with the lifestyle brands, the influencers, if you will, that have a brand that's built around their passion, where they're using Amazon, as a secondary income stream. That's tough, and I do feel bad for those folks because they are going to take a hit in their revenue. Now, the good news for them is they do have the brand. They have the opportunity to take the brand, which has the value, and then kind of plug in additional income streams into that brand. And that's the benefit of building the brand. And that's really what I want to talk about, is the transition that I made. See, I mentioned that I got to the point where the Amazon affiliate program and product review blogs we're doing okay. I was making $2,000 to $3,000 a month, but I knew I wanted to do more. I wanted to quit my job. I was doing this for that dream life, not just a little bit of side hustle income. So in 2016, actually, I decided to make a massive shift, and I sold all my product review blogs and really every asset that I had, because once again, this was all done anonymously, essentially. So I sold these product review blogs to e-commerce stores that wanted the traffic that the blogs were generating. And I made a nice little chunk of change, and that's what allowed me to finally comfortably walk away from my job in 2016. I knew I had enough savings to support the family, plus I had been doing this for 4 years, so I kind of knew what I was doing, and I decided to shift. And I went a completely different direction. That's when I started my first YouTube channel. But this time I focused more on building the brand. But that's what I focused on. I focused on the brand, and I focused on building the brand around specific one-off affiliate programs. And I think that's the real opportunity in affiliate marketing going forward. So here you are on this channel. This is the Becoming Legendary channel. The whole purpose of this channel is to help you make more money with Legendary Marketer. So I have tons of tips, tricks, mindsets, and tutorials on this channel. So if you are interested in high-ticket affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit bell notifications that we do get notified when I release another training. But let me talk about that and how that's different. So we mentioned Amazon's affiliate program, great because of the name recognition, but the small commissions, right, just got smaller. So what I'm suggesting that you do instead is actually start from scratch and actually build the brand around a good affiliate program, around a program that can educate you, that can help you become a better marketer, and in turn give you an opportunity to use what you learn inside that program to then actually turn around and recommend that program to the audience that you build when you build the brand around the product. I know that sounds kind of confusing, and it will become more clear when you watch more videos on this channel. But the difference here is very simple. With Amazon, it's a great monetization strategy to, once again, plug into an existing brand. But if you don't have the lifestyle brand, if you're not a food blogger, if you're not a fitness blogger already with an existing audience, then don't worry about Amazon. Like, them cutting their rates just helps us realize like how crappy it really is to build a business around Amazon's affiliate program. Whereas when you take a program like Legendary Marketer that pays high ticket commissions, that can earn you $1,000 commissions, well, then you got a real chance at making some decent income, because unlike Amazon, where you have to make hundreds of sales a month, if you have high ticket commissions like the ones that are paid out in Legendary Marketer, if you make 5 sales a month, 5 high ticket commissions a month, that's $5,000. That's 60 grand a year. Now, maybe not everybody can quit their job on 60 grand a year, but that's certainly a great start for a passive income side business. And that's the great thing about Legendary Marketer. If you do it the right way, if you do it the way that I show you on this channel, you don't actually have to be in the business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But what you do is you set up systems that drive traffic to very non-committal, low-ticket offers just to get people into the system. And then Legendary Marketer sells back-end high-ticket products on your behalf. And when those sales happen, they could happen today, they could happen next week, they could happen next month. Whenever they do happen, though, you are going to get the credit for the sale. And once again, if you string together 5 or 6 or 7 of those $1,000 commissions every month, that's how you make the big money. That's why creating the brand on, say, like YouTube around the product that converts well and pays high commissions is the way to go if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing. So I hope that made sense. Once again, check out the channel. It'll all start to come clear if you're not really sure what I'm talking about. There'll be some links down in the description below. And if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, go over to my15daychallenge.com. It's probably the easiest way to get started. And you'll see how just a tiny investment can potentially bring massive returns in an online business that is super beginner friendly. And I highly recommend. All right, thanks again. We'll see y'all very soon. Bye now.